today we're on the lake. We're gonna put our tree out that we made. If you notice here, when you carry these things in your boat, make sure you have a piece of carpet underneath them so they don't scratch up your boat. What we're going to do is we're just going to use our anchor rope. I'm going to show you an easy way to stick these out, make sure they sit down flat. And all you do is you take your rope and you go around it, and you don't pull it through the loop, but you pull a loop through the loop. Now when you sink it, it'll sit straight, and you pull this out and you get your rope back. That's all you're doing. You're just throwing it over, and we're gonna simply just put this thing overboard. We found us a good spot right here. It's about 10 or 12 feet. And as you can see, I'm letting that thing sink, but I'm holding my rope with a loop to let it get on the bottom. It won't go nowhere after it gets on the bottom. Just keep letting it go down. We're in about 15 foot of water right here. All right, we're on the bottom. Once you're on the bottom, you can see I've got my loop. See the hook there? I've got the hook and I've got the loop. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull my tag in. I'm just going to pull that loop through that loop, and you retrieve your rope.